Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another episode of Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Today though, really exciting episode. We're going to be fitting new front sway bar links on this 2001 KN/KQ Ford Laser. It's also going to apply to the late model Mazda 323s. So let's get into it. Alright, so we've got the vehicle jacked up and on safety stands, and here we can see our sway bar link, right? Connecting our sway bar to our strut. Now be careful on these models of lasers and 323s because there is two different lengths of this link because they made struts with different bracket heights. So before you go and get sway bar links, make sure you measure center to center on the mounts, okay? So anyway, I'll show you why we're going to be replacing them. See all that play in the bottom joint, right? She's cactus, okay? So it needs to come off. So all we've got to do is we've got to undo the two retainers and whip the sway bar link off and replace it. And so in theory, you just hold the ball stud with a hex key while you undo the retainer, right? These have been on there a long time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit it with a rattle gun. Now we're going to do the bottom. It's a little harder to get to. I'm just going to see if I can pop the link off so we can get a bit better access. Yeah, she just pops off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a block of wood and wedge between the sway bar and the body like this, and that'll make it a little more solid. Right, so with our wedge in there and with my special breaker bar offset, I'll put in here, see how we go now. I think we may have got it. The whole thing's moving. Alright, so in that case we're going to have to vice grip it. Okay, got it. Now I should be able to get our ratchet on that. Okay. Cool. So that's what's left of our old link out now. Cool. So now we've got our new link, and they're symmetrical, okay, because the ball studs are 180 degrees from each other. So it doesn't matter which way you put them in. Let's go in the top first though, because it's easier. Sit it in the bottom. Okay, boom. Now let's be nice to the next person and put some grease on the threads to prevent that corrosion. Because that next person will probably be me. And then our nuts. They're nylock nuts, so you can't screw them all the way with your fingers, but get them started. Alright. Now we should be able to run them down with the rattle gun. And our ratchet. And then just torque them up with the spanner. That's plenty. Boom. All right, that's one done. Now the other side. All right, so same thing with this side. Let's get it out. Cool, so that's all done. And now you can see that there's absolutely no rattle in those at all, yeah? You can see the spring in the bar, but the links, no movement, so sweet. All right guys, well that's it. That's how easy it is to replace front sway bar links on a Ford Laser. We've taken away all that knocky noise out of the front of it. It's going to handle better because it's going to feel tighter, it's going to be safer. It's all good. So that's about it for this episode. I hope by now you've subscribed to our channel. If not, still a chance to do it. Hit the little red button. And until then, I'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.